The White Gold Success Story of Indervelli FPO. A common sight across India, the length and breadth of this beautiful land, with ever-changing landscapes of varied hues, coexisting with nature and uniting the country, are its farmers, always caring for the Mother Earth and receiving in return as much or as little as they require. Adilabad district in northern Telangana, with its predominantly tribal population and a delicate socio-economic structure based on Jal, Zameen and Jungle. The sleepy agricultural fields of Indervelli, vying for attention from the angels of change. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, through its timely intervention and integrated approach to rural development, became that catalyst of change. In collaboration with NGOs like Dhan Foundation, watershed projects, formation of primary producer groups and other such initiatives and activities were started, and the process of change became visible with an increased efficiency in all the stages of the value chain. This formed the basis for successful FPOs like Indervelli Farmers Producer Company Limited.
Indervelli Farmer Producer Company Limited, promoted by NABARD in association with Dhan Foundation, is the best FPC in Telangana, and in my opinion, it is one of the best in the country. They have 837 members and mobilized close to 25 lakh share capital. They are doing a business turnover of 10 crores, and the beauty of this FPO is that they could leverage loans up to 6 crores from Telangana State Cooperative Apex Bank and also DCCB Adilabad.
Rather than a lone farmer struggling with multiple circumstances beyond their control, if they are a part of a collective for mutual support and collective action, things get moving at a much faster pace. So here comes the Farmer Producer Organization FPO. Help is available through NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, which is supporting producer organizations, adopting a flexible approach to meet the needs of the producers by setting up the Producer Organization Development Fund in April 2011.
This FPC, predominantly tribal community FPC, they were earlier growing cotton, now also they grow cotton, but they were simply selling earlier kapas. Now the FPC has their own ginning mill, and instead of selling kapas, now they are selling bales to institutional buyers like CCI, Cotton Corporation of India, and other buyers, whereby a lot of value is created to the farmer members. In addition to this, Indervelli FPC has their own input center where they sell organic inputs. They sell fertilizers, they sell pesticides, and they sell a whole lot of other things which are required for farming.
The aim is to enhance farmers' competitiveness and increase their advantage in emerging market opportunities.
When we sell to outside traders, we are at a major loss. They give us lesser prices. When we sell to our own ginning mill, we get a much higher price as per government rates. So we are happy that we have constructed this ginning mill.
Due to this, the farmers are getting direct benefit to the around it was calculated the 56% as the direct profit. Last coming to the 3 years, it was calculated that there is the increase the yield 30 to 40%. And the economical growth is also increased from to 36% to the 76%.
The year 2014 was observed as the year of farmer producer organizations, and slowly but surely the concept is catching on.
The middleman used to delay our agricultural inputs, but we give everything in advance in time.
NABARD and Dhan Foundation have given 36 lakh subsidy to construct this godown. We can store all our agriculture products here and sell them when the prices are good. That way, we get better rates and prices.
So, there is hope in the air. one more mission got accomplished. Many more to come. The meticulous planning and vision of NABARD's expert team and the partner NGOs and proper implementation by the experienced personnel is changing lives. The white gold from Indervelli is much in demand and is on its way to faraway lands, spreading the message and stories of hard work, grit, and determination.